It's Mrs. Mindwave, and we're diving deep into the world of AI today. Now, you've probably heard all the hype about ChatGPT. It writes poems, codes, websites. It's pretty wild. But what if I told you there are AI models out there even more advanced? Models that can see, hear, and even reason in ways that go way beyond text prediction. That's right, we're going beyond the buzz today. We're uncovering 3 of the most powerful, lesser-known AI models that are seriously pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible with artificial intelligence. These aren't just incremental upgrades. We're talking about game changers that are setting the stage for the future of AI. So if you're ready to see what's next in the world of truly intelligent systems, buckle up because things are about to get really interesting. Let's go. First up, we have Claude 3, developed by Anthropic. Now, think of this as ChatGPT's ethically responsible sibling. See, Claude 3 is trained using something called constitutional AI, which is a fancy way of saying it's been taught a set of ethical principles during its training process. This is huge because it directly addresses one of the biggest concerns with AI, the potential for biased or harmful outputs. With Claude 3, you're less likely to get those weird, ethically questionable responses that some other models might generate. But here's where Claude 3 really separates itself from the pack. It can handle over 200,000 tokens of context. To put that into perspective, imagine feeding it an entire research paper or even a short novel and having it actually understand and reason with that level of information. That's the power we're talking about here. And it's not just about the quantity of information, it's about the quality of understanding. Claude 3 demonstrates a level of context-aware reasoning that even outperforms GPT-4 on many tests. It can follow complex arguments, identify subtle nuances in language, and generate responses that are not only coherent, but also incredibly insightful. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's cool and all, but how does this actually apply in the real world? Well, imagine using Claude 3 for long-form content creation, like writing in-depth analyses or even legal documents. Its ability to process and reason with large amounts of information makes it a perfect tool for tasks that require a deep understanding of complex subjects. Or picture this. You're working on a project that requires absolute accuracy and ethical considerations, like developing a chatbot for a sensitive industry like healthcare or finance. With Claude 3's built-in ethical framework and advanced reasoning capabilities, you can be confident that the AI is providing safe, reliable, and unbiased responses. And here's the best part. You can actually try Claude 3 for free right now. Yeah, you heard that right. Anthropic has made Claude 3 accessible to everyone, so you can experience the power of ethical and advanced AI firsthand. Just head over to their website and start exploring what's possible with this game-changing AI model. Trust me, you'll be impressed. Next up, we're taking a look at Gemini 1.5, the brainchild of Google DeepMind. And let me tell you, this one is a beast when it comes to multimodal AI. Now, what does multimodal even mean? It means this AI doesn't just read text like traditional language models. It understands images, audio, video, and even code. We're talking next level stuff here. Imagine showing Gemini a picture and asking it to tell you a story about it, or playing it a piece of music and having it analyze the emotions behind the melody. This is the kind of versatility that sets Gemini 1.5 apart. It's not limited to just one type of input. It can process and understand information from multiple sources, just like we humans do. And when it comes to sheer processing power, Gemini 1.5 doesn't disappoint. It can handle up to 1 million tokens in memory, which is absolutely insane. That's like having a conversation with someone who can remember everything you've ever said to them, and then some. But it's not just about memory. It's about what Gemini can do with all that information. It consistently outperforms GPT-4 in areas like code understanding, complex mathematical equations, and logical reasoning tasks. This means it's not just understanding what you're saying, it's actually comprehending the underlying concepts and relationships. So, how would you actually use this in the real world? Well, imagine being a lawyer who needs to analyze hundreds of pages of legal documents, or a researcher sifting through mountains of scientific papers. Gemini 1.5 can be your AI assistant, helping you navigate complex information, identify key insights, and even generate summaries that capture the essence of the material. Or let's say you're a software developer working on a particularly challenging piece of code. Gemini can act as your coding co-pilot, helping you debug errors, optimize performance, and even suggest new approaches based on its vast knowledge of coding languages and best practices. If you're ready to get your hands on this multimodal powerhouse, you can sign up for access through Google DeepMind's website. They're constantly releasing new updates and features, so you'll want to stay tuned for what's next. Last but not least, we have GigaGPT, a 100 billion parameter Chinese language model developed by Tsinghua University and Huawei. Now, you might not have heard of this one as much as ChatGPT or even Gemini, but trust me, GigaGPT is a force to be reckoned with, especially in the world of open source AI. See, GigaGPT is all about breaking down barriers and making advanced AI accessible to everyone. It's designed with low power deployment in mind, which means it can run efficiently on a wider range of devices, even your smartphone. That's right, we're talking about putting the power of a 100 billion parameter language model right in your pocket. But GigaGPT's significance goes beyond its technical capabilities. It represents a shift in the AI landscape, a move towards more open and collaborative development. By making its source code available to the public, GigaGPT's developers are encouraging innovation and democratizing access to cutting-edge AI technology. This open source approach has some major implications. For starters, it allows researchers and developers around the world to contribute to GigaGPT's development, making it a truly global effort. This kind of collaboration can lead to faster advancements, more creative applications, and a deeper understanding of AI as a whole. Another key aspect of GigaGPT is its focus on multilingual training and cross-cultural understanding. It's been trained on a massive data set of text and code in multiple languages, which allows it to communicate and generate content in a way that's sensitive to different cultures and linguistic nuances. This is particularly important in today's interconnected world, where effective communication across borders is more crucial than ever. GigaGPT has the potential to bridge language barriers and foster greater understanding between people from different parts of the globe. If you're interested in exploring the world of open source AI, GigaGPT is a fantastic place to start. You can download the model and start experimenting with it right away. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, GigaGPT offers a unique opportunity to dive into the exciting world of large language models. And who knows, you might even contribute to the next big breakthrough in AI. So there you have it, 3 incredibly powerful AI models that are shaping the future of artificial intelligence. From ethical reasoning and multimodal understanding to open source collaboration, these models are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. These models aren't just competing with ChatGPT, they're defining the next era of AI. Whether it's ethical alignment, multimodal reasoning, or open source scalability, they each offer a glimpse into what intelligence systems will look like over the next 5 years. If you're as fascinated by these powerful AI models as I am, then you're in the right place. Here on Mrs. Mindwave, I dig into tech trends, future intelligence, and tools that can truly change how we live and work. Hit like if you learned something new today, and don't forget to subscribe because I post weekly deep dives just like this. And I'd love to see you in the next one. Thanks for being here, and I seriously can't wait to see you in the next video.